Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down.
Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing the, well, it ain't an unboxing or nothing like that, but some people buy those Walmart radios. I already had this one right here, but they actually still sell this in at Walmart. I think it's around 50 bucks now, but I think it may have went to like 80 bucks. I don't know. But it's a dual. The model is the XVM296BT, so it's like a Bluetooth receiver. As you all can see right here, it has the camera in, front and left, right and left, front and rear, right and left, my bad. Can't even talk. Radio antenna right there. It ain't nothing special, but it'll get you through for sure. So as y'all can see, the back is real simple. Like I said, got the camera inputs, the remote. As far as I can see there, that one, it looks like it may be broke, I don't know. But I actually bought this like to put a radio in the truck. It may have even came with this truck. This is gonna be my next base build. If y'all done seen it in the video, y'all know what's going on. But like I say right here, damn mosquitoes, man. But anyway, man, we're gonna go ahead and plug this up, and that way y'all can see it actually play and see the settings in it. Like I say, I didn't set any kind of I didn't put any kind of dash kit or anything like that in here. This just for the purpose of the video or whatnot. So I actually got a Pioneer radio I'm gonna put in here. It doesn't have a bunch of settings that you can like adjust or whatnot, but it does have the USB input right here and the auxiliary input. This is the Walmart budget. I call it a Walmart budget double DIN. Of course, you got your modes, got your Bluetooth right there that'll connect to your phone or whatever you may have, your tablet or whatever it is. You got the auxiliary cable where you plug in right there. And back to your radio. All right, let's go to the settings right here. Let's go to the, that's like your EQ, whatnot, your treble, bass, and of course your fader and your balance. Your Bluetooth, once again, you can select that on the side. Okay, of course you got your loudness, your collaboration or whatnot, calibration, my bad. Of course you got the beep time setting and so forth and so on. Alright, I might be able to see, let me see if I can connect my phone to this and we'll get this thing playing right quick. Like I said, it doesn't have one of those, what do you call those things that you can control the actual subwoofer out. It doesn't have anything like that. I'll be doing another review on a different CD player if y'all want to know about that. I got a Pioneer. I'll be doing I have it in my silver truck. So I'll show y'all the I got two more. I got one for the white truck and one for the silver one. This one is the one in the black truck, so it's like the older one. Let me see if we can get this thing playing. All right. Well, if I can get this YouTube music to play.
What is music?
Anyway, man, y'all know copyright to give me. I'm just trying to show y'all the settings on this here budget player, CD player. I'll find the I don't think I have the links for it below, but I will try to put some down there below. If there's something you're interested in, like I said, it's a simple double DIN. You know, if you just need something to go on your vehicle. Like I say, it's the double DIN, it's not the single DIN and double DIN faces, nothing like that. But check this out. But be sure to like and subscribe. I'm just showing y'all the budget options that you do have. I mean, y'all excuse me, I'm trying to get everything situated. But yeah, be sure to like, subscribe. The dual double DIN XVM 296 Bluetooth BT. So y'all be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.